Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diva and in today's video I'll be telling you how you can identify your skin type. It is very important to know your skin type because each and every product that you use on your skin depends upon your skin type. Starting from your skincare to your makeup products, whatever products we are using on our skin, we should first understand what exactly is our skin type and what will exactly suit our skin. We basically have 4 different kind of skin type. Number 1 is dry skin, number 2 is oily skin, number 3 is combination skin, and number 4 is normal skin. As soon as you wake up in the mornings, आप जैसे ही सुबह उठते हो, stand in front of a mirror, observe your skin. You have to observe few things and then you can categorize or you can say exactly in which skin type does your skin falls in. How will you say your skin is dry? For dry skin, number 1 is it will lack hydration. You will feel that stretch. वो खिंचा खिंचा सा आपको एक feel होगा. You will see the dry patches on your skin or you will see little dry flakes. Skin flakes will be coming out. That means आपकी skin में hydration कम है और आपकी skin बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो चुकी है. Number 2, oily skin. You will see excessive secretion of oil all over your face. आपके बहुत open pores के issue होंगे. You will have blackheads issue and your skin will be prone to acne. Who have crossed the age of 22 or say 25, you have to get regular facial for your skin because you have to keep removing all the blackheads because excessive blackheads will lead to more and more acne. Combination skin. As the name itself says, it's a combination of 2 different skin types, dry and oily. So that means few of your facial parts, or usually it is our T-zones, that is the forehead and the nose and the chin area, it happens to be little oilier and your cheek and the rest of your face becomes little drier. But that is not the case all the time. For example, I have combination skin and my forehead, nose and this area is quite oily. Remaining part of my face is quite dry. Still, I can say it's a combination skin. It's not a hard and fast rule that only your T-zone is going to be oily and rest of your face is going to be dry. It can be anything, it can be vice versa also. Our last skin type is normal skin. It's a perfect balance of dry and oily skin. That means your skin is not going to be too oily, your skin is not going to be too dry. It's going to be somewhere in between. You just have to keep maintaining your skin type. Is our skin type constant? No. There are few factors that keep affecting our skin type. That's how it keeps changing it. Number 1 is place or climate. It depends on what place you're living in. For example, you're living in some cold place, irrespective of its summers, and if the place is too cold, your skin will become little drier. If your climate is too humid, your skin will become little oilier. So yes, your place and your climate and your weather keeps affecting your skin type. Second point is your food intake, your health and your age. The kind of food that you eat keeps affecting your skin type. If you drink a lot of water, your skin will be hydrated. If you eat a lot of junk food, your skin will become too oily. You will break out a lot. You will have a lot of blackhead issues. Your age, as we age, like from 20s to 30s to 40s to 50s, as we age, our skin becomes more and more dry. 3 is skin maintenance or say skin care. What kind of a facials you are doing, what kind of a skin products you are using, that also affects your skin. For example, a person who goes for regular facial will have much better skin conditions or skin type. A person who never goes for skincare or who never gets even a cleanup, a basic cleanup or even a basic facial, you will observe their skin will become very dry gradually over the period of time, not just because of age, because of tan and because of dead skin. Yes, you have to get rid of dead skin in order to understand your skin type. So we came to the end of our video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button. Do subscribe to my channel, share this video, and let's help others to understand and choose the right products which is meant for their skin. Before that, they have to know what exactly is their skin type. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.